when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Winning.
On and off. We'll have to see what it looks like at the end.
Sound right, boy. Big, like, sound good. Big, like, sound good. Big, like, sound good. Big, like, it sound right, boy. Big, like, sound good. Big, like, sound good. Big, like, sound good. Big,
It sound right, boys.
Push it down a little. Was filler, obviously, because it's just the nature of the thing.
Has that got to be flat, or is it staying like that?
No, it's not like it will give the template definition. It will give his grill definition. Believe it. That's the way it is. There was no metal there. I've made the angles meet top bottom. Right? He won't fold it. As he screws it in, it'll just take its shape. Right?
Yeah. Dodge update, Father. Where are we at?
Dodge update. More work added.
Yeah.
Lots of little jobs. But little jobs take as long, if not longer, than big jobs.
Yep.
Some things,
Go on.
things that are going to be a bit of a working out is making the hooks for this lock. Making those so they replicate the old style ones, and look,
We've got the old one.
we've got them on there. I'm going to use them as a template. These.
Little bonnet latches. Yeah.
They're my templates for the new ones. On that side.
That side.
Steel worker will be fully welded when the clip comes off. But this is all steel now. It ain't going nowhere.
I don't know if I've done I don't know if I've put that in any of them.
What? Videos.
Yeah, the front's all been fully welded to make the front end a clip. So they say. So that all comes off as one. It's got big support behind it, welded on. Which goes to chassis ends, supports, whatever. Little cross brace between it.
There's an oil cooler going on that.
Oil cooler.
This is the supports for the rad,
Yeah.
using the old hoop metal.
And inner wings, fabricated them from just an idea in his little head. Done a template for the customer. He's going to have a grill made up to match his transit.
This has all been trimmed to fill the rad. All the metal on top here was wasted. It was doing nothing. This metal here helps to bolt the bonnet on, but this metal did nothing, so now we can fill the big new radiator properly.
There you go, straight from the horse's mouth. This is it. That was it since I've done the last one.
Yeah. It's all been inside here, it's, you know.